The hell? Hi. Yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Ozzy and I'm back again with another video for you guys. Today I have another unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing the brand new-ish i12s. Now these are the actual new versions of the i12s. If you can see it right there. Let's see, bam, right there. The new versions where they're calling it the i12 minis. Alright, I ordered these on Wish. I took a gamble and I got back a sealed version of the i12s. Let's go ahead and take a look at this bad boy. I'm really excited to unbox this with you guys so you guys can see this, and I'll be comparing it to the old i12 as well as the i88s that I have. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing video. Let's do it. Yeah!
Do-do-do, 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 Ozzy's tech and stuff, yeah.
Alright guys, so here we have the i12 minis. They don't say mini anywhere, but when I got them on wish.com it said i12 minis. So I'm just really hoping that this is the actual version that everybody seems to like on YouTube. And a lot of these versions got really good ratings from other YouTubers, other reviewers and stuff like that. So I was able to get this one for about 18 bucks on Wish. Did take about 3 weeks to almost a month to get here, so that's the bad part. You can order some of these on Knockies and you'll get them within the 5 days, but you gotta pay a little bit extra for that. I didn't want to, as I'm buying all the tech on this channel myself, so I'm trying to save a little bit, so and also help you guys save a little bit if you want to order. So I'll try to find the Wish link. If this turns out good, I'll go ahead and post it in the description below so you guys may see. But before we start this video guys, I just want to remind you guys that if you're not already subscribed and you like these kind of tech videos, gaming videos, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel, as it'll motivate me to keep creating content and to help this channel grow. Also hit that like button if you found this video helpful at all, so, or if you just like the sound of my voice, like Morgan Freeman. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the box here. So we got TWS, let me see, TWS True Wireless Stereo i12. Of course, you got the i12 here, the AirPod or FairPods, as I like to call them, TWS here. On the bottom, auto power on, auto pairing 5.0. So on the bottom here, we got all the colors that they come with. I, of course, went with the red color as it is my favorite color. So on the side we got auto power on, auto pairing, which is, that's something different that the other i12s that I have, which are actually these, didn't have. So, you know, theoretically once you open the lid, it should go ahead and pair, kind of like the i88s do. So let's see how that works there. Touch using Siri and open the lid and connect automatically. So that's what I was talking about, that as soon as you open the lid you should be able to connect, no problems, you know. Same thing on this side, nothing on the top. Let's see on the back. On the back you're gonna get product name, wireless earphones made in China, just like the rare AirPods. Actually, not even that. The real AirPods, jeez. Alright, lightning cable here, and the what looks to be the fake AirPods there. So that is the box. Let's go ahead and open it. Where's my knife? Here we are. Alright, as always, let me just make sure I don't slice my fingers while doing this. Put that away. And let's go ahead and open. Alright, took the wrapper off. There's the box, and let's go ahead and shake this up a little bit to try to get this open. It is kind of tight, giggity. Alright, so right when you open, you're greeted with the AirPods backwards. Right? So let's go ahead and save that for last. What we have inside is typical, as I've been doing unboxing of these all the time. Here is your lightning cable. I'm pretty sure it's very cheap, cheaply made, and I wouldn't charge any phone with that. Here's the instruction manual. We do have it in Chinese. and we do have it in English. So I'll go ahead and take a look at that and put everything to the side for now. Let's go ahead and take a look at these beauties. Now this one looks amazing. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, guys, but it is a red matte finish, so it is kind of like the i88s here, just to compare, but you do get that AirPod style little groove there. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Here you get the circular, which does not look like an AirPod. Here it does. Also, you get the lightning cable on this one. i88 is micro USB, and on the back you do get the connect button and what looks like a light in the back. So that's a little bit different. You know, the new AirPods have the light in the front, and this one has the light in the back. This hinge kind of does look like it's cheap material. So let's go ahead and let's see if we can pair it to my phone to see how they connect and how they look and how they'll show up once you try to connect them. All right, give me 1 second. All right, guys. So when I got my phone, and this is a Samsung Galaxy S8, so I won't be able to show you if it has any W1 chip. I doubt it when you're trying to connect to an iPhone. But let's go ahead and try to connect if this has any juice at all, which it doesn't seem to have any juice at all. Let's go ahead and try to connect. And look at them right there, guys. They look really nice. And the shade of red, I don't know if you can see it, you probably can't, but they kind of look a little bit reddish pinkish for some reason. This one is a lot more red. So let's go ahead and see if we see them. No. Alright, so let's try, and I'm doing it off, you know, the top of my head because I didn't want to look at the manual, but let's go ahead and tap the connect button. No. So I'm pretty sure these don't have any juice. Alright, guys, so unfortunately these did not come with any juice in them. They're completely dead, and I'll actually have to try to plug them in and try to see if I can charge them if they work at all. So this is just an unboxing video. I wanted to try to pair them and see how it looks and how they come up on the phone, but I was not going to do any sound tests or anything like that. I will be doing a review for this video, so hit me up with a like if you would like to see a review for these videos, and also comment below what you would like to see from the review, so if you want me to test out anything else. So this has just been a unboxing of them. Here is how they look, and they look amazing. They look really nice. Basically a very slim stem here, very close to the AirPods. They do have the dots here on this side and this side. I know a lot of you guys want those dots. They have the two here and the two back here, little vents, and they does says the right, and let's go ahead and see the left. You can see it right there. Oh, and we got our first why do they keep doing this? Why? I don't understand why these companies keep doing this, man. It's like, we don't want to see the police flashing lights, and they keep doing it. They keep putting them on the AirPod style ones. So hopefully, if enough YouTubers do these reviews and we tell them we don't want to see these police lights, then maybe one day they will stop making them. But right off the bat, guys, let's go ahead and compare sizes, and you can see immediately the size difference. Immediately. So I'm lining up as best I can. And this is the i12s. They went for more of a shorter, fatter stem look, and this one, sorry if I'm a little off balance, guys, but this one goes for a true AirPod. It's a lot longer. This is actually closer to what the AirPod looks like. So this is the i12. This is the i12 mini, or the new i12s. I don't know what they're going as these days, but there you go. And let's go ahead and take a look at the i88s. Now the i88s, to me, it kind of feels like a mix between the i12s, if I can get this to focus. Come on. The i12s and the new i12s, or the i12 minis. So if you can see right there, there is a little bit difference. There is a little bit of difference there, not by much, but you can see that it's a little bit longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and review that and let you guys know how it's going, how they sound and how they work. I'll do a gym test to see if they fall out of my ears, even though I keep seeing that, and I don't know if we need to be doing this because everybody else has different style earphones. So this one looks like it's trying to pair. This one looks like it's trying to pair, but it's not coming up on my discoverable Bluetooth devices. So let's go ahead and try one more time since it's blinking. Just want to see. I just want to. Oh, there you go. i12s. So they come up as i12s. If you guys can see right there, i12s. Click on it, and it should pair. And it stopped blinking. I'm gonna put it in my ear. Actually, let's little quick shake test. They didn't fall out, but I don't feel like they're securely in my ear, and that's just the left one. But it kind of feels weird since the gloss, since it's not gloss, matte finish. It kind of feels really smooth, and I feel like it's not truly secure in my ear. But I'm gonna have to go through a test and see. Take these to the gym, go for a jog or a run on the treadmill, and see if they fall out. But this red color is sure to turn some heads because it looks really nice, guys. So another quick shake test. I'm gonna give myself a headache. All right, guys. So they don't look bad. They actually look pretty good. A lot better than the i12s and a lot better than the i88s as far as aesthetics looks. So we gotta see the mic test, see how they sound, see how people can hear me. And the music. The most important thing that you want to get one of these is to get actually good music. Now, for $20, $18, you're not going to get super bassy, super clear audio, but if you can get something decent for that price that gives you the convenience of having a case this small and just popping them in there, then why not, you know? So I'll go ahead and go through a review. Again, guys, let me know what you guys want me to review. I'll probably take about 2 weeks, so I'll give you guys 2 weeks to comment below and see what you want me to review. And that's it. Again, guys, help me out with a like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed for more videos like this. I'll always try to get some cool tech stuff to unbox on this channel, and it motivates me to see my subscribers going up, and motivates me to keep doing content like this, guys. Alright, guys, until the next one, peace.